Moving can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. We offer affordable, reliable, and hassle-free moving services right here in Danville. Let us take care of your move while you relax and focus on what matters most. In this video, we'll show you how we make moving easy with our top-rated services. Moving is hard work, but with 3 movers, you don't have to worry about a thing. We're your trusted local moving company in Danville, offering everything from affordable local moves to long-distance relocations. We pride ourselves on being quick, punctual, and professional, ensuring that your move goes smoothly from start to finish. Need a reliable moving company for a local move in Danville? We've got you covered. Our local moving services are designed to be quick and affordable, with rates starting at just $30 to $40 per hour. At 3 movers, we offer a range of specialized services tailored to your needs. These include residential moves, packing, transportation, and unpacking your belongings. Commercial moves, moving your office, equipment, and furniture with care. Military relocation, stress-free moves for military families. International relocation, we help you move overseas with ease. Furniture moving, transport your heavy or delicate furniture without worry. Ready to make your move? Getting started is easy. Just visit our website to get a free, no-obligation quote for your move in Danville or beyond. We'll help you plan and execute the perfect move at an affordable price.